Design your dream celebrity and bring them to life. Drop them into any world you imagine. Swap faces. Animate and give them a voice. Ready to create your own reality? Introducing apobai, your new creative playground. Whether you're chasing social media fame or simply seeking fun, crafting a consistent character can be a challenge. But with apobai, turning your vision into reality is as easy as a click. To get started, visit the apobai website and click Launch App. Once you're in, click Create Portrait to begin your creation journey. This is where the fun really starts. You have two exciting options. Upload a reference image of your inspiration, or let the AI generator create a unique character from scratch. Let's try the AI influencer generator first. You'll find a bunch of customization options. Select the gender, age, ethnicity, eye color, hairstyle, and facial features to match your ideal celebrity. Once you're satisfied with your creation, click Generate and give your new star a name and a brief description. You can see all your model details here, and you also have the option to make it public or private. Now, let's explore the exciting possibilities with your AI influencer. You'll find a variety of tools to bring your character to life. First, try Build Your Own. Here, you can customize your model's style, environment, and appearance. For example, you could create a realistic-looking athlete in a gym setting. Simply choose the aspect ratio and click Generate to see your vision come to life. If you prefer something quicker, the Complete Set option offers pre-designed sets. Select your favorite set, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate for an instantly stunning model. For those who love to experiment, the Expert option lets you craft your ideal influencer in any scene using detailed prompts. Simply type your prompt and negative prompt and hit Generate. Very cool. Want to put your AI model's face on a video? Select Video Face Swap. Upload your video, trim it if necessary. Choose your quality. Watch out for how many credits you'll use, and click Generate. Next up is Image Face Swap. Simply upload your image, click Generate, and you're done. Here, you can animate images by selecting Image to Video. Upload a photo, choose from your previously generated models, or select an apobai community model. Simply pick one. Click Generate and watch the transformation. It's that cool. Lastly, let's talk avatars. The Talking Avatar option is where it all comes together. Upload a photo or choose a model, add your voice, and hit Generate. Your AI character is now talking and ready to go. Design your dream celebrity and bring them to life. Drop them into any world you imagine. Animate, swap faces, and give them a voice. Remember when I mentioned the option to upload a reference image? Let's revisit that. Upload an image of yourself, give it a name and description, and you're good to go. Now that your AI model is ready, you can explore all the options I've covered. Try it out with your new model. It's so cool. On the right of every image, you'll see options to upscale, generate a video, animate, download, or zoom in, and that's a wrap. Before I finish, let's take a quick look at the pricing. The free plan gives you 80 credits a day. Click on my exclusive link in the video description to sign up and use my code for a 15% discount. I appreciate you watching. I hope you're as fired up about apobai as I am. Unleash your imagination, and let's see what you can create. If you love this walkthrough, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating!